Hello students, Pythagoras theorem video number 3 from this topic, third video, and total number of videos 22. Okay, Pythagoras theorem. So far we are using Pythagoras theorem. We are using the theorem, we are using the result, but proof was not learned. Here in 10th standard we are learning it using similarity of right angled triangles. So what is the statement? In a right angled triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of remaining two sides. So read it carefully. So in a right angled triangle, triangle ABC is a right angled triangle. In this triangle, square of the hypotenuse, AC is the hypotenuse. Square of the hypotenuse is equals to sum of the squares of the remaining two sides. AB and BC are the remaining two sides. Their sum of square means AB square plus BC square is equals to what? AC square. So, what is Pythagoras theorem? In a right angle triangle, square of the hypotenuse AC square is equals to sum of the squares of the remaining two sides, that is equals to AB square plus BC square. Given in triangle ABC, angle ABC is 90 degree. To prove, what to prove? AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. To prove this result, we have to do the construction. What is the construction? Draw perpendicular segment BD on side AC. So, segment BD is drawn perpendicular to side AC, which is hypotenuse. Between S is given A dash D dash C. This is construction. Now, proof. Pay attention. Is using theorem of similarity in right angle triangles. What is that theorem? Similarity of right angle triangles. In a right angle triangle, if the perpendicular is drawn to the hypotenuse, then two triangles are formed. Then each of the triangle is similar to original triangle and to each other. Yes, in other words, triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADB and is similar to BDC. Yes, this is using similarity of right angled triangles. So here proof, in right angled triangle ABC, segment BD perpendicular to hypotenuse AC. This is construction. So what we are having, just now I said triangle ABC, big one, is similar to ADB, triangle ADB. This triangle is similar to triangle BDC, this one. This result is from similarity of right angled triangles. Now we will consider this triangle ABC similar to triangle ADB. As triangles are similar, corresponding sides are in proportion. So we are having AB upon AD, here it is equals to BC upon DB, here it is equals to AC upon AB, here it is. Reason for this, corresponding sides of similar triangles. So, see the key point, we have to find the value of AB square and BC square. So, first we will get AB square. I want to find AB square. So, AB upon AD is here, AC upon AB is here. So, if we will consider these two, this is equal to this, Cross multiply AB into AB, we will get AB square. So this is equal to this. These two ratios are considered. Cross multiply, yes, we will get AB square is equals to this AD into AC, result number 1. Similarly, consider triangle ABC similar to triangle BDC. Here it is the result. Triangles are similar, so corresponding sides are in proportion, and we get AB upon BD is equals to BC upon DC is equals to AC upon BC. Here we have to find out BC square. Key point. This is the key point. Getting AB square and BC square is the key point of the proof. So here it is BC, here it is BC. This ratio is not required. So BC upon DC is equals to AC upon BC. Now cross multiply. BC into BC, BC square. Cross multiply. DC into AC, result number 2. Now we are adding result number 1 and 2. So what we get? AB square plus BC square, here it is equals to AD into AC is plus what? DC into AC by adding 1 and 2. So here this AC is common. AC is common. Here it is AD plus DC. Now see the figure. This AD plus DC is AC. So here it is. Reason for this A dash D dash C. So AC into AC is equals to AC square. So what is the result? AB square plus BC square is equals to AC square. That is AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. This is the proof of the Pythagoras theorem. Learn it carefully. It is not difficult. Just you have to do the practice. And now we will move to converse of Pythagoras theorem. What is the converse statement? Now we have to learn it. Okay. See the converse statement. Listen. Converse of Pythagoras theorem. In a triangle. Triangle is there. Any triangle. In a triangle. If the square of one side is equal to the sum of squares of the remaining two sides, then the triangle is right angled triangle. Are you getting? I am reading it again. In a triangle, if the square of one side is equal to the sum of squares of the remaining two sides, then the triangle is right angled triangle. So here, pay attention. Triangle ABC is any triangle. In this triangle, square of one side, say AC, okay, if AC square is equals to sum of the squares of remaining two sides, that is AB square plus BC square. If we get like this, what? AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square, then this triangle is right angled triangle. That is angle ABC is 90 degree. This result we have to prove, and this is converse of Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Now to prove this, we have to do the construction. Draw triangle PQR. How is this triangle drawn? In which AB is equals to PQ, BC is equals to QR, and angle PQR, this angle is equals to 90 degree. This is the construction. Now pay attention. In triangle PQR, this angle is 90 degree. So triangle is right angled triangle. So using Pythagoras theorem, what we get? PR square is equals to PQ square plus QR square. So this is because of Pythagoras theorem. But in the construction, what we have done? AB is equals to PQ and BC is equals to QR. So for PQ square, I will write AB square. For QR square, I will write BC square. This is result number 1 and this is because of construction. But AB square plus BC square is equals to AC square. This is given. Are you getting? AB square plus BC square is equals to AC square. Okay, this is from given result number 2. So we are having PR square is equals to AC square. Take the square root, we get PR is equals to AC. This is result number 3. Okay, now pay attention. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, AB is equals to PQ. Okay, BC is equals to QR and AC is equals to PR. We have obtained the result. It means that is these two triangles are similar by side test. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Reason side test. Okay, triangles are similar mean that corresponding angles are congruent. So angle ABC, this angle is congruent to angle PQR, this angle. These two angles are congruent. It means they are equal in measure. Reason for this, corresponding angles of similar triangles. But angle PQR is 90 degree. This is because of construction. So angle ABC is equals to 90 degree. The result that we have to prove, and hence the theorem. This is converse of Pythagoras theorem. Learn both the theorems very carefully. Theorems are not difficult. Proofs are not difficult. Just watch the videos very carefully. Watch also and listen also. This should happen simultaneously. At the same time, refer the textbook too. Okay? And do well prepared. Now here, note, learn, remember this page number 35. Yes, there are, I think, 5 results are there. Remember this. All results you have to learn carefully because that is the revision summary. Learn solved examples, example number 1 to example number 7. Okay, from page 36, 37 and 38. Don't ignore this. Is don't neglect. Okay, first you have to learn these 7 examples and then we'll go for the practice set and all. So self-study is very important factor nowadays. There is no option at present. So utilize the time and give priority or more importance to the self-study. Okay, and then we'll go to practice set and all in the next video.